Hello, I'm Jason McCabe, Senior Product Manager for the EU and UK for Clenergy International. Today we're at the wonderful Intersolar in Munich. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So we have here our solutions for metal roofs, both trapezoidal profiles and standing seam roofs. It's the same module clap across all the system. The only difference is the fixing profile. So we have here both a landscape version and a portrait version. It comes with a self-drilling screw, which is compatible with aluminium and steel profiles, right down to 0.5 and right up to 1.2 with ease. It's with a typical self-drilling screw that most installers will be very familiar with. Going over to the standing seam solution, the only difference there, it's a non-penetrative system. It's actually a universal standing seam clamp, so common clip lock profiles and cowl zip a bulb, for example, the universal clamp will fit with ease, and that can also be used then with an additional rail, so it's a rail system, or it could actually be used with a railless system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the other videos on our channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you at the next video.